check it. We got a Suzuki tank off a GT185. It's clapped out, but the inside's not rusty, so that's chill. But it leaks from there and everywhere. Some asshole put JB Weld on there. So I'll have some fun cleaning this off, but it's just the way she goes. Got that. I'm just gonna put that in after. Should be good to go. Wish me luck. Check this funk out. I've already pulled all this off. Crazy. But some dumb ass that doesn't know jack shit tried to weld this. And he was just messed it up. So I'm gonna get in there with a wire wheel and angle grinder and see if we can't make it unfiggity fugged. It's okay. We're gonna bring it back. We got the good angle grinder, now we're fucking chilling. Just a little bit more. Wow! Dude, this wire wheel fucks so hard. I thought that was gonna take me like a couple hours. That was light work. Crazy. Yeah. Probably just have them sandblast that all out, pop that out. Dude, it took all that JB Weld off like it was its job. New jack. Alright, we're getting crazy with this greaser. We got some chambers from the RD350. We cut up the stock pipe and those, and we're making exhaust. Oh, should be chill. After they're all fit up and Gucci, we'll just clean them up. Sexy. Making exhaust for this cunt. Fucking chambers on her. It's gonna be a ripper. out. Oh. Weird. Check this, bruh. Gas is off. That's cool beans.